Hello students, it is said that every moment is a new beginning. So welcome to the E-class of St. Xavier's High School, Adipur. I will be taking your NE subject and our first topic, or else you can say our first chapter, is about myself. Students, take out your textbook and the page number is 5. Lesson number 1, about myself. Find these words in the grid given below. So students, here are 5 words. I will read out it one by one. B-O-Y boy, G-I-R-L girl, P-L-A-Y play, R-E-A-D read, E-A-T eat. Now all these 5 words we have to find out from this grid. So students, as you can see here in this picture, I have already marked these words. I will tell you about how to mark these words. Now the first one is B-O-Y boy. So here we will first find out the letter B. As you can see here, see students, this is B-O-Y. Take out your pencil and mark this and put a circle like this. The next one is G-I-R-L girl. So the first letter is G. So we will find out here G. G-I-R-L girl. Next is play. P-L-A-Y play. The first letter is P. So we will search for the letter P. P-L-A-Y play. The next is read. R-E-A-D read. We will search the letter R. R-E-A-D read. And the last one is E-A-T eat. So here E-A-T. Put a circle like this. Now we will read out this paragraph about me. H-E-L-L-O hello. F-R-I-E-N-D-S friends. I-A-M-M-R-I-A Ria a 6 Y-E-A-R year. O-L-D old. G-I-R-L. I am Ria, a 6-year-old girl. I-L-I-V-E live. I-N-N. D-E-L-H-I Delhi. W-I-T-H with. M-Y my. P-A-R-E-N-T-S parents. A-N-D and. M-Y my. Y-O-U-N-G-E-R younger. B-R-O-T-H-E-R brother. A-Y-A-N Ayan. I live in Delhi with my parents and my younger brother Ayan. A-Y-A-N Ayan. I-S is a 3 Y-E-A-R year. O-L-D old. B-O-Y boy. Ayan is a 3-year-old boy. I-A-L-S-O also. H-A-V-E have. A P-E-T pet. D-O-G dog. N-A-M-E-D named. J-I-M-M-Y Jimmy. I also have a pet dog named Jimmy. I-S-T-U-D-Y study. I-N-N. S-H-I-K-S-H-A Shiksha. P-R-I-M-A-R-Y primary. S-C-H-O-O-L school. I study in Shiksha Primary School. And the last I-A-M-M-I-N-N-C-L-A-S-S class 1. I am in class 1. So students, as we have read out this paragraph, now I am explaining this. Now, I am Ria, a 6-year-old girl. Now here, in this picture, this girl is Ria. She is explaining about herself. Means, what is myself? Myself means your own self. When you tell about yourself to others. I live in Delhi with my parents and my younger brother Ayan. Now she is living in Delhi and she is staying with her parents and her brother Ayan. Ayan is a 3-year-old boy. Her younger brother is 3-year-old. I also have a pet dog named Jimmy. Now here you can see in this picture the girl is having a pet and the dog name is Jimmy. I study in Shiksha Primary School. Now this girl Riya is studying in Shiksha Primary School. At last I am in class 1. Now this Riya is studying in class 1. Students, turn your page. As you can see, my likes and dislikes. Now here, the further in the chapter, it is discussed that what Riya likes. I like playing hopscotch with my friends. I do not like skipping. Now here in this picture you can see Riya is playing with her friends. Now she likes hopscotch and she doesn't like skipping. I like reading storybooks and watching cartoons on television. Now adding more that she likes reading storybooks and watching cartoons on TV. Next is I like singing and dancing. I do not like loud music. She likes singing and dancing, but she doesn't like to hear with loud music. I also like painting. This is Riya, she also likes painting. My brother and I love eating rajma chawal that our mother cooks. We also like visiting different places during vacations. Now further, she likes eating rajma chawal with her brother, and we also like visiting different places during vacations. She likes to visit new places during her vacations. Students, the explanation of the chapter is over. Now take out your 4-line notebook and start writing with me. So I hope all of you have opened your notebooks. Take out the page number 1. Write down first of all date. Then lesson number 1, about myself. This you have to write above the margin. After the margin, leave one line and then start writing first point. My, my, name, name, is, pankhudi, Pankhudi. My name is Pankhudi. So students, here you will write your own name, and while writing, the first letter of your name should be capital. Again leave one line and then start the second point. IAMM, 6, years, old. I am 6 years old. Study, I am in CLASS class 1. अब स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे I study in class 1. अब आपके डिविजन अलग हैं, तो जो A है वो A लिखेंगे, जो B में है वो B लिखेंगे, जो C में है वो C लिखेंगे और जो D में है वो D लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, live, INN, Adipur, GANDHIDHAM, गांधीधाम. स्टूडेंट्स, I live in, जो आदिपुर में रहते हैं वो आदिपुर लिखेंगे और जो गांधीधाम में रहते हैं वो गांधीधाम लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट, फिफ्थ पॉइंट, my, SCHOOL, school, NAME, name, is, ST, saint, शॉर्ट फॉर्म है सेंट का, XAVIER, apostrophe S, Xavier's, SCHOOL. My school name is St. Xavier's School. Students, I hope that you have written this about myself in your notebook. Let us just revise it once again. My name is Pankhudi. My name is dash. इस dash में आपको अपना नाम लिखना है. I am 6 years old. I study in class 1. ए है तो ए में लिखेंगे, बी है तो बी, इफ यू आर इन सी डिवीजन तो आप सी लिखेंगे, डी डिवीजन तो आप डी लिखेंगे। आई लिव इन आदिपुर गांधीधाम, अगर आप आदिपुर में रहते हैं तो आप आदिपुर लिखेंगे, और एल्स आप गांधीधाम में रहते हैं तो आप गांधीधाम लिखेंगे। माई स्कूल नेम इज ST, सेंट है, XAVIER apostrophe S SCHOOL स्कूल। माई स्कूल नेम इज सेंट जेवियर स्कूल, आपकी स्कूल का नाम क्या है? सेंट जेवियर्स स्कूल। At last, I am giving you some homework. Paste your photograph and fill in the blanks. So, first of all, आप अपनी यहाँ पे फोटो चिपकाएंगे. Then, you will write your name here. Then, next age, class, school, my best friend. You will write your best friend's name here. Then, second, are you a boy or a girl? आप बॉय हैं या गर्ल है वो लिखना है। आई एम अ बॉय, अगर आप बॉय हैं तो बॉय लिखेंगे, इफ गर्ल है तो गर्ल लिखेंगे। थर्ड, वेयर डू यू लिव? आई लिव इन आदिपुर, अगर आप आदिपुर में रहते हैं तो आदिपुर लिखेंगे, और एल्स गांधीधाम में रहते हैं तो गांधीधाम लिखेंगे। फोर्थ, राइट टू थिंग्स दैट यू लाइक एंड टू दैट यू डिसलाइक। यहाँ पे दो चीजें जो आप पसंद करते हैं वो लिखनी है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई लाइक प्लेइंग फुटबॉल, तो आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे आई लाइक प्लेइंग फुटबॉल। अगर कोई चीज आपको खाने में पसंद है, आई लव टू ईट मैंगो, तो आप वो लिखेंगे। आई डिसलाइक, यहाँ पे जो चीजें पसंद नहीं है कोई भी दो चीज लिखेंगे। आई डोंट लाइक प्लेइंग हॉकी, मुझे हॉकी खेलना पसंद नहीं है। आई डोंट लाइक ईटिंग कैरेट, अगर आपको कैरेट खाना पसंद नहीं है तो यहाँ पे आप वो लिखेंगे। नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इज ए, व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ योर आईज? टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, आपकी आंखों का कलर कौन सा है उसमें आपको टिक मार्क लगाना है। अगर आपकी आंखें ब्लैक हैं तो ब्लैक में, ब्राउन है तो ब्राउन में, ग्रे है तो ग्रे में, ब्लू है तो ब्लू में टिक मार्क करेंगे, ग्रीन है तो ग्रीन में टिक मार्क, और इन सब में से अगर कोई नहीं है तो आप टिक मार्क करेंगे अदर देन दिस में। बी, कलर द एक्टिविटीज दैट यू लाइक इन ग्रीन एंड द एक्टिविटीज दैट यू डू नॉट लाइक इन ब्लू। अब मैं एक के बाद एक ये पढ़ती जाऊंगी। प्लेइंग बैडमिंटन, डांसिंग, ड्रॉइंग, राइटिंग, सिंगिंग, फाइटिंग, प्लेइंग चेस, स्विमिंग, साइकिलिंग, रीडिंग, स्टडिंग, प्लेइंग कंप्यूटर गेम्स। अब स्टूडेंट्स आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, जो जो एक्टिविटीज आपको पसंद है यू हैव टू फिल दैट विद ग्रीन कलर, और जो एक्टिविटीज आपको पसंद नहीं है दैट यू हैव टू फिल इट विद द ब्लू कलर। At last students, we have completed the chapter. I hope that you will do your homework properly. One more time you have to write down myself in your notebook.